Hi there, I want to talk to you about the Geek Key. This is an awesome, nifty little gadget. You can clip it onto your keychain and do all sorts of useful things. Hello and welcome to the Productivity Test Kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen and I'm here with my co-host, the Ninja. So this little thing is called the Geek Key. Let me show you a few of the cool things it does. You've got a bottle opener right there. You've got a serrated blade, Amazon package opener. It gives you a flathead screwdriver. It also has a slight edge right here that allows you to cut things. It's called like for scoring. This is apparently a wire bender. Do we ever need to bend wires? I've never used that part. It's also got, and this is kind of amazing, right here, you've got a little well that you can get water into. And then it's got a little tube that runs down and then runs out the ending.
A water bottle.
It's a water bottle. That's right. This is really amazing. Right here, what it has, you see all these little notches on this side and slightly different notches on this side. These are in imperial system and metric system heads for all the different sizes of a bolt top. Now I've only used that a couple times, but that is pretty amazing in something so small. This is a driver, like one of those little hand drivers. You can stick the end of it right in there and use this as the top actually to screw things in.
Oh, so that's what it's for.
Wait. I forgot. It has a ruler on it. There's so many other things.
That's what I was gonna say.
Okay, again, this is the Geek Key. This has been the Productivity Test Kitchen. Leave me a comment. Tell me what would you use the Geek Key for? And if you want to see one of the tech gadgets that we created in the Productivity Test Kitchen that the Ninja and I put together, you can watch our video about the whiteboard wallet. I'll put a link right there. There'll be a floating thing above your head. Can you imagine that? Yeah, just a floating box right here that says, watch this video. And then maybe like right over your face, it'll say, subscribe. Or it could say it right here. Something like that. Anyway, thank you for joining us and we'll see you in the next video.